Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to finish a friendship bracelet for my Hiilos clasp. It's pretty easy actually. So for the friendship bracelet I just use some embroidery thread, and then I already cut and glue this end here because it needed to dry for me to show you how to do this. And for the glue I'm using Loctite super glue, and it has a brush inside, so it's very convenient for gluing the end of my bracelet here. So I'm thinking that I'm going to use that bracelet, I'm going to use that friendship bracelet with this one. So I'm looking at the length, and I think I can cut somewhere here, and I know it's scary, but you just have to cut it like that. And there is some little part that's coming off, so first I just pull a little on the thread, and then I will glue the end. You don't want to put too much because you don't want this to be too thick, but I have a little trick when it is too thick. So what I did is on this side here, there was some little part here that was too big, so I just cut it because it was all glue. And then you can take your chain nose pliers and you just squeeze it, and the end then is gonna flat and gonna be thinner, and that would be much easier to put in your tube. So the little tube for the Hiilos clasp, they are pretty tight, and to make the opening wider I like to use my knife, and then you just twist very gently. And then I'm taking my flat nose plier, and I can open a little more with my flat nose plier. So this one is already open, and I just need to slide this inside the tube. There we go. So this is the size of the bracelet is a little too big for using a small tube, so I have some space here, and I'm thinking I might use a chain, maybe putting a chain, or maybe a beaded bracelet like I did on this one. So for this one I use a peyote stitch band, and I use some chain, and that makes a really nice combination. And on this one I use just the little tube, and then another little tube with this combination of beads and chain, and then I have my bracelet here. So to finish the bracelet here, you just need to close this little cap here, and then you squeeze a little the tube very gently, and that's it. If you want to know how to do this type of a bracelet for the Hiilos clasp, please check our other video on our YouTube channel.